Are we videoing?
Yeah, we're videoing now. Okay, this cute little cockatiel here had his upper beak ripped off quite a while ago. Oh, ow, ow, ow. And now he likes to bite doctors. That's his favorite pastime. Oh, yeah, get him.
He was fighting hard to get him.
Ow. He will get me. He'll pinch
Don't
me.
forget he's 24 years old.
Oh, yeah, he's ancient. As in 24 years old.
Y'all been having 24 years?
So anyway, he's not been eating very well for the past few days, and of course that wait till he's about to pick his nose with his lower beak. So now, and look at that nostril. I see a booger in there, bigger than anything I got in my nose. So I got to pick that too. Man, got to put a charge in the computer for nose picking.
Yeah.
Numma.
Poor you.
Go get the crackers, Joe.
We're gonna get some crackers.
All right, that's what it looks like beforehand. We'll get some after pictures in just a second.